Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Breville Barista Touch. An ideal choice for those who know how to get the most out of their beans, the Breville Barista Touch offers a wealth of control, including the ability to adjust the grind, brew amount, and milk texture. You can also save as many as 8 personalized drink settings. Heats up in only 3 seconds, conical burr grinder can't accommodate tall mugs. Nespresso by Delonghi. Though there are several models that utilize Virtuo Series capsules, the Nespresso by Delonghi stands out due to its 54-ounce tank and ability to store 17 used pods, allowing you to spend more time making coffee instead of tending to the machine. Automatic shutoff after 9 minutes, select from 5 cup sizes, doesn't make much noise. The Jura E6 Platinum employs a pulse extraction process designed to quickly generate alluring aromas. It's got a built-in grinder and adds milk automatically, creating creamy cappuccinos with the simple push of a button. 8 strength levels can prepare 2 drinks at same time, stainless steel construction. Nespresso Creatista. Combining the simplicity the brand is known for with a steam wand that lets you froth to your desired texture, the Nespresso Creatista is a compact combination of convenience and control. At less than 11 pounds, it's not difficult to transport. 60-ounce removable tank, reaches brewing temperature rapidly, 2-year warranty. The Breville Barista Express uses a sophisticated, integrated burr grinder that handles just a few beans at a time, so you always have the freshest, richest flavor. It sports a cool, industrial look and adjusts the water temperature automatically for optimal extraction. Frothing pitcher is included, easy to clean inside and out, cup warmer on the top.